is Judge Julia Sebutinde? And has Uganda disowned her? Judge Julia Sebutinde's controversial dissenting opinion at the ICJ genocide case brought by South Africa against Israel has left the legal world on edge, and everyone is talking about her. She is hailed as a hero in Israel and distanced in her home country Uganda. Notwithstanding the fact that South Africa scored a major landmark victory in the ICJ case on genocide brought against Israel. One judge among the 17 voted against all the 6 charges, leaving the legal world perplexed. But who is she? And what are her reasons for dissenting? Kilimanjaro News Network takes a closer look. In the hallowed halls of the International Court of Justice, ICJ, Judge Julia Sebutinde stands as an intriguing figure. A polemicist and controversialist? Or a beacon of independent thought and controversial principles? She has carved a unique path through the international legal landscape, culminating in her historic appointment as the first African woman to grace the ICJ bench in March 2021. Sebutinde's journey to the pinnacle of global justice is as remarkable as her current stance. Born in Uganda in 1954, she honed her legal acumen at prestigious institutions like Makerere University and the University of Edinburgh. Rising through the ranks of the Ugandan judiciary, she tackled landmark cases with unwavering integrity, investigating corruption in high-ranking government officials and championing human rights. It was this unwavering commitment to justice that propelled her to the global stage. Her election to the ICJ marked a watershed moment, not just for Africa but for the international community as a whole. Yet, amidst the celebration, her recent dissent in the Israel-Palestine case has cast a shadow of controversy. The case, centered around accusations of Israeli genocide in Gaza, presented a complex tapestry of legal and political intricacies. South Africa, seeking provisional measures from the ICJ, found itself met with Sebutinde's resolute opposition. Standing alone against all 6 proposed measures, she questioned the sufficiency of evidence to prove genocidal intent and urged instead for diplomatic solutions. This lone dissent sent shockwaves through the legal world, sparking fierce debate and reigniting long-standing questions about the ICJ's role in politically charged conflicts. While some lauded her as a champion of independent thought and nuanced justice, others questioned the potential ramifications of her stance. Legal scholars like Professor David Kennedy at Harvard Law expressed concerns about weakening accountability through diplomatic avenues, while Dr. Anya Vinitsky pointed to the dangers of undermining the ICJ's authority in delicate political disputes. Adding another layer of complexity, Sebutinde's home nation, Uganda, publicly distanced itself from her dissent. This dissonance highlights the delicate dance between personal convictions and national allegiances within the ICJ's hallowed halls. Judge Sebutinde's lone stand has undoubtedly shaken the legal world. Her independent streak and willingness to challenge established norms are admirable, but her dissent remains the subject of intense scrutiny. Whether her legacy will be one of courageous individuality or of jeopardizing the ICJ's delicate balance between law and diplomacy, remains to be seen. One thing is certain, Judge Julia Sebutinde can no longer be ignored. Her journey to the ICJ and her dissenting voice in the Israel-Palestine case demonstrate both the incredible progress made in diversifying the global legal landscape and the ongoing challenges in navigating intricate legal and political disputes. As the world watches, only time will tell what impact her stance will have on the ICJ's future and the pursuit of global justice. Kilimanjaro News Network would like to hear from you directly. Join the conversation. Do you think Judge Julia Sebutinde was right to oppose all 6 counts brought by South Africa? Do you think you agree with her dissenting opinion? Do you think Judge Julia Sebutinde has embarrassed Uganda and Africa? Let the conversation begin. Send us your messages. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Kilimanjaro News Network, the authentic voice of Africa. Kilimanjaro News Network broadcasts in Swahili, Arabic, English, and French.